to a warm welcome back to my channel. My name is Shia. I make beauty, lifestyle and fashion related content. I know you guys must be wondering that Shia ने इतनी जल्दी वीडियो कैसे पोस्ट कर दिया, but trust me, I'm also questioning the same thing to myself because let's be honest, consistent is not my middle name. ठीक है, but now that I'm here, let's get back to work. In today's video, we're going to discuss about some tips and tricks in case you are planning to visit Udaipur, especially in this off season. And there is going to be a haul video of everything that I got for myself. And obviously, I'm not going to show anything that I got from my friends and family because there is no point of it. So without wasting any further moment, get something to eat and something to hydrate, and let's dive into the video. Decided to visit Udaipur for just 2 days. Yes, 2 days. That was the dumbest thing ever because let's be honest, there is a lot of things to explore in Udaipur and 2 days is not that sufficient. Itna dur jaake you don't want to miss out on anything. So max, according to me, 4 days is enough. Secondly, the plan was so spontaneous that we didn't have any time for booking and we have to legit spend 2 to 3 hours in Udaipur to look for the hotel. But say my sister has saw one reel जिसमें कि उन्होंने देखा था you can stay in hostel. She thought it will be a cool idea, but the rest of us didn't want because we don't want to share our washroom at least to any other stranger. आप खुद भी नहीं करना चाहोगे. So that was not cool and that was the one mistake that we did. Then the next thing that I want to discuss about is renting bikes, which can be almost a scam to us. The average price was per day के हिसाब से 300, but अगर कोई आपसे 250 या 200 तक जाता है और लेता है तो प्लीज डोंट फॉल फॉर दैट स्कैम बिकॉज वो आपको या तो गाड़ी खराब देंगे या कुछ भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं जो कि हमारे साथ हुआ. सपोज यू आर 6 पीपल एंड यू वांट टू रेंट बाइक लाइक 3 बाइक्स, तो आपके पास 3 एटलीस्ट ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज दे विल गिव यू द सिकेस्ट और सबसे खराब गाड़ी आपको पकड़ा देंगे एंड दे विल बी लाइक कि हाँ अब आपके पास ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस नहीं है तो आपको यही इसी में एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू ऑल टू प्लीज बी केयरफुल इफ यू आर रेंटिंग बाइक्स एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू कैरी योर ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस बिकॉज हमारे साथ जो सिचुएशन हुआ उसमें 2 से 3 बार हमारी गाड़ी खराब हो गई एंड 3 से 4 बार हमारा गाड़ी का पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया. पानी इतना आ रहा था और हाईवे के बीचों बीच में हम गाड़ी धकेल रहे थे. द होल सिचुएशन वाज सच अ मेस. इफ आई हैव सम फुटेज देन आई विल अटैच इट तो आपको अंदाजा हो जाएगा कि हम क्या सह रहे थे. एंड इतना दूर जाने के बाद यू डोंट वांट टू लाइक हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई डोंट वांट यू ऑल टू हैव दैट एक्सपीरियंस. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सजेस्टिंग कि गाड़ी देखकर लेना चाहिए. अदर देन दैट द ट्रिप वाज सच अ नीडेड ट्रिप बाय ऑल 4 of us. It was quite an experience and that is it, I guess. That is it for all my renting part from my Udaipur trip. Plus the people there were so nice and helpful, तो balance out हो जाता है. And also the people with whom I was on trip are so close to my heart. So yeah, that was 10 on 10 for me. Moving on to the hot part. I am so excited. Don't be misleaded by the size of the attachee. इसका आधा ही है सामान, इतना भर के मैं कुछ नहीं लाई वहाँ से. Let's start with the jewelry part, then we'll move on to clothing and then bag and other miscellaneous things. First thing that I got is this pair of earrings, which I didn't realize is so fragile कि जो टूट चुका है. But never mind, I'll fix it with Fevikwik or something. I so wanted to buy these kind of things, but इंदौर में ये बहुत ज्यादा महंगा मिल रहा था. But वहाँ पर it was quite a deal. The next thing that I got is this oxidized set of neck piece and the matchy earring. Again, this was also quite a deal. ये मतलब मुझे इतना कुछ पहनने का ऐसा कुछ शौक है नहीं, but हाँ वीडियोस वगैरह में अच्छा लगे. I love the घुंघरू kind of detailing that is happening. And इसके earring भी इतने simple और delicate से है कि अगर मैं उसको neck piece को ना पहन के सिर्फ ये भी पहनूं तो it will look nice. Then my sister got herself this pair of anklets and I also quite like it and I know I'm gonna use and abuse this like so much. So far the best item that I got from my trip is this neck piece. Like just look at it. Now I can't wait for Navratri to style this choker and it also has this multicolor detailing जिसके कारण अगर मैं इसे किसी भी कलर के लहंगा या किसी भी कलर की साड़ी में पहनूं तो it will look bomb. Then I got lots and lots of bangles for myself. I didn't realize when I was buying it कि मैं इतने सारे लेकर जाऊंगी. But now that I'm doing this haul video, I'm realizing okay मैंने बहुत सारे कड़े और चूड़ियाँ ले लिया है. My hand size and my mother's hand size are equal, so वो भी इसे use कर सकते हैं. First we're gonna talk about this green color की चूड़ी. I love this green color. Next I got this bangles in silver kind of thing. I didn't have anything that is silver for hands. Now that I have these one, I will so gonna use it. Then this 4 pair of chudis, I don't know एक किधर misplace हो गया है, but still ये इतनी पतली and बारीक सी. I also got one कड़ा for myself, जो कि इंदौर में अगर लेती मैं तो मुझे 200 या 250 तक पड़ता, but वहाँ पर मुझे 50 रुपए में मिल गया. Then randomly in one shop, I saw one bracelet and I was like, it will look so good in this hand. It has 3 charms, star, this crescent moon, and again there is a star. Now it's time for few clothing items. The first thing that we got is this kurta that I'm wearing for this video itself. It has this rose kind of detailing with this like off-white color and has green pattiya. It looks बहुत सुंदर. Then I got this short kurta for myself. It is in the color combination green and white. It has this pom-pom detailing which I clearly do not like. I will remove it for sure and use it ऐसा ही. And it looks somehow like this. ये मुझे उदयपुर में बहुत प्यारा लग रहा था, that's why I bought it. But now अब मैं यहाँ पर आकर जब मैं ऐसे पहनने के लिए देख रही हूँ तो I am not that big fan of it now. But still मेरी मम्मी बोल रहे थे मुझ में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, so ठीक है, I will keep it. I got is again a short kurta which is in the tie-dye pattern and pink and white combination. Has this embroidery sort of detail in its neck work, like all over the kurta. It has this embroidery. Also again my sister loves this kurta on me. The same color pattern, I again got one short top kurta kind of thing which is this one. इसका जो transition है like white जो ombre pattern है pink में, love it. It also comes with this बद्दी जिसे आप पीछे tie कर सकते हो to adjust your size. Then I got one kurta pant set for myself because वहाँ पर मुझे बहुत अच्छे prices में मिल गया था. This is the sky blue kurta that I got. इसका डिजाइन कुछ इतना ज्यादा एकदम फैंसी नहीं है, बट स्टिल आई लव दिस कलर अगेन ऑन मी. एंड दिस इज द पैंट. इनिशियली इट वाज नॉट ऑफ माय फिटिंग, बट मैंने उसे फिट वगैरह करवा लिया, घर पे मशीन थी तो कुछ तो काम आए. Now everything that is regarding jewelry and clothing is over. Now it's time for all the miscellaneous things that I got. Firstly, I so wanted to show you all my bag that I got. It doesn't give Udaipur vibe, but still I got it because it doesn't give Udaipur vibe, that's why. Which is this metallic sort of thing. This bag is so versatile, it can go with Indian outfit, Western outfit, everything. So this multifunctional bag. Now that we all are talking about bag category, I again got this pottery bag for myself in the beautiful shade of orange. ये बहुत tacky सा orange नहीं जो आपकी आंखों को चुभने लगता है. I really don't own something like this. Like मेरे पास पोटली बैग था नहीं and I so wanted to get this. Now जब मैंने इसे वहाँ देखा I was like कि okay, that's the sign हम उदयपुर में हैं और I have to get this पोटली bag for myself. The one thing that I love about this bag is that इसका जो chain है, it is not chain, it is this beaded, like मोतियों से bead किया हुआ है इसमें. Now that we all know from my previous video that I'm sucker for diaries and I have to get some diaries that are like Udaipur inspired, and these are the 2 diaries that I got. One is this Surya Devta kind of thing and it has this lock. And this one is actually the one that I got for myself. is this सुंदर सी लड़की बनी हुई है इसके अंदर. इसमें कुछ ऐसा टाइप का पैटर्न है जिससे मैं ये लगता है कि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें कुछ लिखी है. आई एम नॉट दैट मच इनटू आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट, लाइक मुझे पेंटिंग वगैरह इतना शौक नहीं है, बट आई विल राइट समथिंग और आई विल सिंपली गिव इट टू माई मॉम. Then we got this fridge magnet for our home. Like me and my sister has decided कि अब हम जो भी ट्रिप जाएंगे वहाँ से एक fridge magnet जरूर कलेक्ट करेंगे. And this is the first one. This is the first fridge magnet ever that we have. It has this beautiful like हाथी 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 and Rajasthan लिखा हुआ है. So we know it's from Udaipur. Then we got 2 wooden boxes to store our jewelry and all. This one is for my sister. And the one that I got for myself has this chand and sitare. Okay, so the last but not the least thing that I got from this Udaipur trip is this mini card holder or card wallet, because in the previous video again you must have heard me that I so wanted to switch my wallet. I only carry card with me, not the cash, so it has more than enough space. Hello, welcome to my purse. Look at the size of my wallet that I currently use and it will be sufficient and cute. It's like me. This is it for today's video. I hope you all love it as much as I love creating it for you all. If you have made this far in this video, then drop this emoji so I know आपने पूरी video देखी है, and comment your favorite purchase out of all this haul. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Having said that, I am signing off from this video. I will see you super soon in my next video.